better than our reporters to be tracking what it's looking like on the ground. So without wasting any time, let me go straight across to my colleagues. I understand Abhishek as well as Shweta are joining me. In fact, they'll be giving us very interesting aspects of it. Let me go to Shweta first. Shweta, good morning to the both of you. First of all, of course, we're sure that you're tracking all the big names that are coming out and voting. But more importantly, when we talk about the elections, this is that opportunity for citizens to be coming out and making that difference. I'm sure there are many pressing concerns. In fact, infrastructure might be one of them when we talk about even a city like Mumbai. Shweta, over to you to not only tell us the voter turnout, but what are citizens talking about that would be the driving concern for them to go and cast that change?
Well, absolutely, Nivedna. In fact, let me quickly cut across you to this particular polling booth. This is in Pali Hill, Bandra West, and this is St. Anne's polling booth. And I'll quickly tell you the speciality. First of all, if we just talk about this particular constituency, it is up to several celebrities, business tycoons, industrialists. And just a short while back, Janhvi Kapoor was here to cast her vote. Many senior citizens have come out. In fact, many people have also voted. If you see, madam, have you cast your vote? Yes, so here, see, people are here, they know this is important to exercise their right to vote, and here we see that since morning. Hi, if I can just take a minute of yours. You know, when we speak about this particular constituency, there have been several key issues, ma'am. What are your pressing issues when you are here out to vote?
Foremost issue is the infrastructure, roads.
Right.
The roads have been a big concern. Traffic in Bandra, getting in and out, has been another major concern. People really don't want to get into Bandra, or if they are in Bandra, they don't want to leave Bandra. So we have some bottlenecks, and definitely things need to be changed, straightened out. Just makes it easier for a constituency, for any constituency for that matter. But I think these two are the main concerns.
Of lately, we have also seen pollution is also one of the cause where everywhere there's construction going around and everything.
Yeah, so there is heavy construction going on in Bandra, Bandra Khar Santa Cruz area. But I guess that is part of the development program. You bear with it. Roads also right now, as I said, they're doing the roads. Hopefully this is once and for all the years that we've lived here. It's only done and undone. So we are just bearing it so that it gets evened out and easy for us to live here.
And definitely you aim for better infrastructure for coming days. Right?
Absolutely.
In fact, Nivedna, this is what I was explaining a short while back, that citizens are well aware that what are their key issues. Ma'am, thank you very much. Thank you very much for connecting with us. As we just go inside, I mean, I really cannot walk inside, but Hemant's camera lenses can. And he will show you the kind of queue that's already there. And it's early morning where we are seeing that the citizens are coming out large in numbers to vote, and here we see that there have been different issues for different people, but as in whole, if we just talk about this prime locality, as the lady correctly pointed out, that better infrastructure is what something they have been looking for. Nivedna.
Right, Shweta. In fact, it's nice to see that it's not Bangalore in the context of traffic when we're speaking for once. But of course, these are pressing concerns, what citizens have, and that is driving them to the poll booth. You, in fact, got us the latest, but let's also understand from Abhishek. I also see Shrishti who's joined us. Abhishek, Shrishti, thank you very much for joining us so that our viewers can better understand what the mood meter is like when citizens are making this difference. Abhishek, let me come to you. You are reporting from Juhu. We heard what Shweta had to say. As far as the driving factors, you know, nobody better than our reporters to be telling you that, because right ahead of this, they have been tracking what's the pressing concern for citizens, also looking at it from the political aspect of it. So Abhishek, tell us, have the numbers been great so far this morning? When you're speaking to them, what are they saying is going to be that one factor, or maybe one of the many factors that will drive them to make that change?
Yes, definitely. And in fact, I'm here in the Juhu area. It's one of the high-profile constituency northwest where the battle is between Sena versus Sena. And since morning, we've seen a good amount of turnout. I'm joined by my family itself. Ma'am, first to show your fingers. You know, they have voted. And this is an inspiration and a message to all those people who are still sitting inside. They should come out in large number. and vote and at least, break the records previously in 2019 that Mumbai has. And let's try and speak to them and understand what are the issues, क्या issues रहे जो आपने मुंबई के जो मुंबईकर है जिसको दिमाग में रख के आपने वोटिंग की.
क्या इश्यूज मतलब
क्या मुद्दे हैं जिसको इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट ट्रैफिक ये जो इश्यूज होते हैं.
obviously just beautifully very happy with the way India's progress is and we look forward to such wonderful years ahead. So that's the reason one has to vote to see the progress that's happening in India today.
And definitely, as a youth voter, as a young voter, how do you feel, what are the issues that were in your mind when you casted your vote?
Jobs, to be honest, of course. But honestly, I think it was beautifully done. But we definitely need some development and infrastructure with the upcoming monsoons and things like that. Look at the roads and things. But I still feel, I think the kind of progress we are having is fabulous. So guys, please vote, go get inked and be a part of the world's largest democracy.
As far as, senior citizen is concerned, you have casted your vote in the morning. And what are your expectations? Because, we have seen some sort of development, but we as a Mumbaikar feel like there is a lot more to be done to make this city something like of a great standard.
Yeah, Bombay to be an international city will have to improve its cleanliness, improve its infrastructure and public transport system. That will reduce the pressure on the roads. We also need to take a look at the other issues that are for India and global. Green sustainability. Our green covers are reducing. We need to have more protection of our mangroves, of the nature that is this thing. India is a gifted country, and we should protect it.
Thank you. So these are the important issues that has been highlighted, right from the challenge that is we have forward, right from making our own city, Mumbai, to an international city. And that is something the focus remains out here. And this is what the citizen of Mumbai wants, that, what they want. They want a better quality road. They want cleanliness. They want that, upgradation. Infrastructure development is something, definitely some of it has been done and some of it that is in the pipeline is what is the focus is, and that's the reason these are the issues which the Mumbaikars have come to the booth and voted for that, and they're expecting that things would turn better in future. Back to you.
Absolutely, Abhishek. And it's great to see, when you're talking about the three generations, all the generations know absolutely what they want. It's very clear cut. But let me go across to Shrishti, who is reporting from Thane. Shrishti, we of course heard both of our colleagues, Shweta and Abhishek, draw things into perspective as to where they are reporting from. What's really happening in Thane? What should we know when we talk about Thane? What are the issues for citizens?
Well, of course, I'm present here in Thane. It's a Sena versus Sena battle in the constituency of Thane. But you can see in the visuals that this particular booth where we are present is a pink booth, and the theme is pink booth to, empower women, to show the gender equality, and the decoration and the arrangements are made accordingly. You can see in the visuals that Rangoli is drawn over here by the Sakhi Manch, and, all women employees are being, placed over here to assist the voters. But yes, long queues of people are coming here in large numbers to cast their vote. Sir, आपने वोट किया है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? क्या आपके इश्यूज है जो आपने सोच के वोट किया?
बस विकास के ऊपर इश्यूज है, उसी के ऊपर वोटिंग किया हूँ.
क्या आपको लगता है कि बेसिक इश्यूज है आपके लोकेलिटी में है, वो आपने सोचे हैं और वो सोच के आपने मतदान?
लोकेलिटी में हमारे एकनाथ शिंदे साहब मुख्यमंत्री जी यहीं के निवासी हैं. काफी अच्छा विकास का कार्य हो रहा है और उसी को आधार पर देख करके हमने वोटिंग किया है.
सर, आप नगर सेवक है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? आप कौन से विषयों को आज आप नागरिक के तौर पे हमें बताइए, क्या आपके इश्यूज है जिसको आपने मद्देनजर रखते हुए वोट किया है और आप भी क्या डेवलपमेंट करना चाहिए?
जो 22 महीने में ये स्टेट में काम हुआ है, आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री एकनाथ जी शिंदे साहब, इन्होंने इतना काम प्रोग्रेस इतना फास्ट किया है जो 10 साल में नहीं होता वो 22 साल में करके दिखाया है. इसीलिए कोई भी मतदार या नागरिक तो भर भर के यहाँ पर वोटिंग होगा. आप देखेंगे कि यहाँ पर 70-75% वोटिंग हो ही जाएगी.
Well, of course, it's what he is claiming is that 70-75% voters, but Yes, Rajan Vichare versus Naresh Maske is the battle here. Sena versus Sena. Rajan Vichare is a current MP who has bagged more than 7 lakh votes in last elections. He has chances, but yes, now after the split, it's difficult for both the Shiv Senas because it will be a prestige issue for both the factions of Uddhav Thackeray as well as Shinde faction. But yes, today is a festival of democracy. You can see in the visuals that how beautifully everything is decorated and properly managed over here at this particular booth. CM Eknath Shinde will be casting his vote shortly. Around 8:30 is the given time wherein he will be casting his vote. But yes, you can see in the visuals also long queues of people who are here gathered early morning to cast their votes. Let's try and talk to them and understand their mood and their pulse for the votes. सर, आप वोट करने जा रहे हैं, क्या ऐसे मुद्दे हैं जो सोच के आप वोट करने वाले हैं?
विकास के ऊपर कर रहे हैं।
विकास के ऊपर ही वोट करेंगे। सर, आप बताइए क्या इस एरिया के, इस कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी के मुद्दे हैं जो सोच के, जो इसको मद्देनजर रखते हुए आप वोट करेंगे?
हमने पहली बार ऐसा वोटिंग देखा है मेरी जिंदगी में। मैं बहुत बार वोटिंग किया, लेकिन इस बार जो वोटिंग हो रहा है हमारे शिंदे साहब के यहाँ से महाराष्ट्र कि हमने पहली बार बजाते हमको वोटर को लेके आए, पहली बार जिंदगी में। हमारी उम्र है अभी 58, लेकिन हमने ऐसा वोटिंग कभी नहीं देखा। जो उत्साह है मोदी जी को लाने के लिए, वो सबसे बड़ा उत्साह है।
सर, इश्यूज के बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? आप फर्स्ट टाइम वोटर है, आपने पहले भी वोट किया है। आप बताइए क्या ऐसे इश्यूज है जो आप मद्देनजर रखते हैं कि इस थाने कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी में बेटर होना चाहिए? ट्रैफिक का इशू हो, लोकल का इशू हो, या फिर पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट का इशू हो, क्या आप सोचते हैं?
आई डोंट थिंक सो कुछ ऐसा सीरियस इश्यूज है। जो नॉमिनल होते हैं, जो नॉर्मल होते हैं, वही हैं। एवरीथिंग इज गुड टू गो, इट्स नॉर्मल।
सो आप वोट करेंगे एक कैंडिडेट के उसके कामों के ऊपर या फिर एक स्टेचर जो है, जो बना हुआ है मोदी जी का, उसके ऊपर?
उनके कामों के ऊपर।
कामों के ऊपर। सर, आप बताइए आपको कुछ मुद्दे लगते हैं इम्पोर्टेंट है? ट्रांसपोर्ट का इशू हो, पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट का इशू हो, या फिर ट्रैफिक का इशू?
रोड का ब्लॉक ये रहता है, मतलब खड्डे गिरे रहते हैं, वो सब रहता है, बस और कुछ नहीं है। बाकी तो सब होते हैं अच्छे काम।
बाकी सब अच्छा है। सो आपके जो पहले वाले एमपी है उन्होंने काम किया है?
हाँ, किया हुआ है।
Thank you, sir. Thank you for connecting with us. So these are the people who are present here to cast their votes. We'll show you the visuals outside as well. CM Shinde is likely to come shortly over here. But yes, of course, it's a festival of democracy wherein now people are absolutely excited. And what the issues they are talking about is just that the roads are not proper and the transportation is not proper here in Thane, and it's difficult for them to, commute. Sir, what are your issues? What are the particular issues you have thought about while casting your vote?
Not really, like electricity, roads, and if we talk about environment, plantation, which is most important. What I feel
that the candidate which you will be voting should look after the environment first.
They will definitely, yeah, and they're doing.
Okay, they are doing.
Yeah.
That's your opinion.
Yeah,
okay.
It's my opinion.
Okay, ma'am, will you talk? आप बताइए what are your issues जो सोच के आपने आज वोट किया है?
मेरे दिमाग में अभी कुछ भी नहीं चल रहा।
आप बताइए सर।
बस उनका भी सेम है।
Okay, thank you sir, thank you for connecting with us. But yes, of course, what people are saying is that most important thing is that environment should be taken into consideration, looking at the pollution levels, looking at the, air pollution levels, not only in Mumbai, but also in Thane. Now, what people are thinking is that there should be, there should be consideration of environmental factors as well. There are issues of roads, public transport, and other things as well. However, environment and pollution that needs to be checked is what people are telling. But yes, Sena versus Sena battle here in Thane. Who will be the winner? That we have to see. But yes, of course, it is a prestige battle for Eknath Shinde and Uddhav Thackeray here in the constituency of Thane.